Hi guys, so today we're going to be opening Fashion Fidgets Advent Calendar. It says there's 24 days of fidget fun, but I can't wait for that, so let's open it. Okay, let's start with number 1. One of the Fashion Fidgets! Look, this is so cute. Her hair, oh my god.
So pretty.
I know. And her cheeks, they're so cute. Okay.
Number 2.
Yeah, ready? Wait, what?
What's in there?
Oh, I think it's one of the clippers. That's cute.
Oh, so you can hang it in the backpack?
Yeah. Okay.
Ready.
Number 3.
What is in there?
This is so cute.
Oh, that's so cute.
It's like little art. It's so cute.
Oh, so pretty. That's a sticker, right?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, it is a sticker.
Okay. Number 4. Woohoo! Let's do number 4.
Okay.
It's little.
It's so little.
What's in
What
there?
is this? A poppin' ring.
Wow.
That is
Let
so
me see.
pretty.
So
Look, ready?
pretty.
Ah, that's so pretty.
So cute. You can leave it on.
Okay. Yeah.
Number 5.
5. Where's number 5?
Number 5. Number 5. Right here.
Okay. Ready?
What is that?
A monkey noodle.
Ooh.
Let's see. Ready?
I'm ready. Oh, that's so pretty. I love the color. Pink. Okay,
So cute.
number 6.
6. This is number 6.
It's right there. Number 6.
Another sticker
Oh, that's so
for the
cute.
painting, I think.
And yours is upside down.
Oh.
So let's fix it. Silly. There you go.
This
Okay.
is so cute.
That's the
Okay,
small one. Okay,
number 7.
Right
Oh.
here. Let's see the number.
Oh my god, this
Can you
is
see the number so they can see the number? There, number 7.
oh, a dimple.
Oh, is
Pop
it?
it. I think so, yeah.
Oh, so pretty.
It's so cute.
I love
Pink.
it.
Me too.
And pink.
Okay, what is next?
Pinkalicious.
Number 8.
Number 8. Can you see number 8?
Can you guys see number 8?
8.
8, 8.
What? Right here.
Oh, I didn't notice that. No.
What is it?
No.
Oh,
It's
I
a pop tube.
So
Let's hear
little.
it. Ready?
So cute.
That's so cute.
Ah.
I love it.
And
Okay.
it's orange.
Number 8. Number 9.
Number 9.
Another
This is so
sticker.
fun.
I know. This is actually cute.
Oh.
It's a phone, I think, sticker.
Yeah. That's so
That's
pretty.
really cute. Okay, number 10. Number 10.
Number 10 is right there. What is
A
that?
pop-it bracelet.
Oh, so pretty. You are so lucky. All right, now 11.
11.
It's right there.
Another sticker. That is
Another
really
sticker.
cute.
Ooh, is that Starbucks?
That is.
Oh,
I
that's
think it's
boba.
boba.
Yeah.
Yeah, I love my boba.
That's so cute. Oh.
I can stick it on my boba when I get it. 11, 12.
12.
12.
Right here.
Oh, right here. Let's see. No way. Oh, little mochi. Let's
So
open
cute.
it.
Yeah.
It's so cute and so
So
soft.
cute. Oh.
Okay, that's number 12, number 13. 13.
Yep. There you go.
No. Oh my god.
Another doll. That one is so cute.
Let's open it.
it.
Let's see.
Oh.
It looks real. Ready?
What is it?
Let's open it. Good.
That's so cute. She's so pretty. I love
the hair
the skirt,
and the bow.
the bow and the cheeks. Click, 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 click. Oh, and the skirt.
Ready?
Oh.
So cute. Number 13, 14. Where's
14 right here, right here.
Okay. Another hanger for
Yeah.
the backpacks.
So pretty. It's a heart. Okay, 15, right?
15. Where's 15?
15, it's right
Oh.
here.
Oh, a radio or a speaker or something. Yeah, I think it's a speaker.
That's so pretty. Ooh. Oh,
That's
so
so
cute.
cute. A lot of stickers. 16.
So pretty.
Oh no, that's 19. 16.
16 is so
I
small.
know, it's
Let's
like
see.
smaller than
I
like.
wonder what's in there.
What?
What's that?
Another ring.
Put it on, put it on.
Ready? Let's put it on. Which one?
Next to the other
Yeah.
one. Yep, you got it.
Oh, I love it.
So cute.
16, 17.
17. All right, 17.
Oh, it looks big.
What's in there?
Another monkey noodle. Ready?
Open it. Oh no.
Ready?
Oh, and it's green. I like the color. Ooh, you look silly. So pretty.
Okay, that was number 16, 17.
17. We just did it. Now 18 is
Oh,
right here.
oh, 18. Sorry.
18.
Oh,
18.
that's so cute. Little headphones, I think. Yeah.
Oh, so pretty.
It's hard to get it out.
Let me try to help you.
Yeah.
You got it.
So cute.
I love it. Now,
Me too.
what was that? 18, now 19.
Right here.
19. Open it. Let's see what's in there.
Another dimple.
Oh,
Let's
a
get it
blue
out.
one.
A blue one.
That's cute.
We have a pink one and a blue one.
Yeah, so cute. So cute.
Okay, that was number
20.
19, 20. Another pop.
Oh, I love that color. Purple.
Oh my god, I love the color purple. Ready?
Woo.
Look.
So pretty.
Okay, that was number 20, right?
Now 21.
21.
21 right here.
21. Okay. Ready? Oh, okay. I love this.
Oh,
Peace.
so pretty. That's cute.
It's really cute.
Yeah.
I
Okay,
love
now
that.
22.
22. Another poppet bracelet.
That's pretty.
And I love these colors.
The colors are
Look,
so pretty.
they're like different colors. There's like,
Aw.
it's like brightish or like lightish and then dark.
So cute.
Yeah, that was 22.
This is so fun.
23. 23.
23.
23.
Oh, cupcake.
Oh my
Donut. Is that a donut?
Yeah, it's a donut.
It's so cute. Yum, 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 yum. I like
Okay,
that.
that's
The
23,
last
24.
one is 24. I wonder what's in there.
Let's see.
Ready,
Ready?
set, go. The star. That is so
The star,
cute.
let's see.
Open it.
Ready?
Oh, it's so
We have
cute.
these?
Can I touch it?
Yeah. Where's the other one?
I love it. It's so pretty.
It's right here.
And now you have white, the cloud, and the star.
Both together makes it like,
Wow, it's so cute.
that's so cute.
Do you like it?
I love it.
It's so
I don't like
fun.
it. I love it.
That was so fun.
I know. I just couldn't wait. Like,
I know. For
it was-
24 days.
yeah.
And you can play fidgets with this.
Yeah.
Isn't it fun?
Really cool. And you get all these cool
Trade
fidgets.
with this.
You get all of these cool fidgets. They're
So pretty.
Okay, well, bye guys.
Thank you for watching.
Make sure to like, subscribe, turn on those post notifications so you'll get notified every time we post a new video. Bye.
Bye.